Here we have a fabulous looking Triumph Traffic Master, purchased from the local tip for the princely sum of £10. As you'll see, there are no handlebars, no seat, no controls or any cabling, but we have got a nice front brake there and bit of sleeving, but a complete rear brake with shoes. This is had also a flat tyre, but I managed to replace it with a inner tube from one of my many 26s. Right, first things first, I like to be able to stand my bike when I'm working on it, so I've installed a side stand. Very easy to install, very handy to have. You don't want to be throwing your bike willy-nilly on the floor when you're out and about, or looking for a tree or a post or a bit of stick to prop it up. Put it down, there it is, job done. Right, next, can't ride around with that, so we put a nice saddle, not the most comfortable saddle, this came from my old Argos bike. That's going to be replaced shortly, as soon as the mailman turns up with a replacement. Now, front handlebars. What should we do here? Well, we could go for a nice BMX style. No, not sure about that. Or how about some nice flat mountain bike bars from the 1990s? Give it that low street urban go-getter Sporticus Maximus bike. No, silly. Here you go, some lovely porter bars. Look at those beauties. Look at that chrome work, nice and high, nice and comfortable. We'll go with those. I think they set the bike off rather nicely, especially with the white wall tyres. They are befitting. I used the stem there from my old Argos mountain bike to give it a nice angle up and forward to give me a little bit more room in the cockpit. But no brakes, I need to install some. After a little trip to my local bike shop, I got a set of nice BMX brake levers. I think these are Sunrace. Now she's coming together nicely. Look at the lines of that. I also cabled it up with all the relevant cables for the brakes, which aren't the best, and the Sturmey Archer. Now look at the lines of that. Even found a pump, look. Fitted some nice comfortable handlebar grips. This bike's all about comfort. It's not a speed machine. It's going to work time. Hence the full mud guards to keep all the nasty rain off. But what does it ride like, you ask? Let's have a look. These mighty calves. Look at the chrome on that crank. It's polished up lovely. And as you can see, it whips along quite comfortably. I did change the rear gearing, so now I'm running a 46 on the front and a 22 on the rear. I adjusted this so it can handle the hills that I need to go up when I go to work, and quite comfortably finds the next gear, and is a really wonderful, relaxing ride. Enjoy.